I've got the Ipsy Pink Prism Mystery Bag. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit are in the other room, but if you're new, welcome. We do all kinds of content here. Beauty, get ready with me, fashion, unboxings, unbaggings, hauls, things like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Now, this was $16 and they say it has $45 in value. That's really hard to figure out when you're getting samples, but we'll try to put our best guesstimate on it. First, by Glossmetics is their Sweet Peach Lip Glaze. Now, this is a $10 value. It's a vitamin-packed lip mask to nourish and condition. It has shea butter, peptides, and vitamin E. And it says this is step 3 in a 3-step process. I'm going to guess that this is a full size, and it should be a light peach shade. Applicator. Okay, so almost paid for. Next, from Mud Masky, we have their Melting Mud Cleansing Mask, and this is pH balanced, gentle and creamy, mild cleansing, non-drying, rebalancing, purifying, rehydrating, fragrance-free, made in France. It is 15 milliliters or a half of an ounce. They do sell this on their website, this size, for $12. Okay, so it's already paid for. Everything else is a bonus. Next, from this Chica Beauty is their liquid highlighter. Now that looks like wow. This is a mini and they do sell it on their site for $10, and it does say it is featured in Ipsy. Next, from Natural Lab is their Perfect Volume Thickening Condition Hair Wash, or hair mask, sorry. And this is 1 fluid ounce. And this is sold on their website as a mini for $6. And then last in here, we have a product from Mo Beauty. And this is a liquid metallic eyeshadow. And this is in their color Dripped, which is a rose gold. And this sells on their website for $7. So we were able to get a price for everything. Pretty exciting. So what are your thoughts? Overall, I think this is a good mystery bag. Like, I like the variety of products. I think everything in here is a nice product and I'm excited to try them. But tell me your thoughts. And, oh, should I show you that? Look at the little pull. That is so cute. It's green inside too. Nice bag. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.